Alright, this video is going to be based off of one of the most requested things that I've received lately, which is the sound quality off of some of the devices, and specifically just comparing two of the smaller continuous flow portable concentrators on the market. So with me right now I have the GCE Zen-O, which is this one right here. So this one's going to be a little over 10 pounds, has that 2-liter continuous flow. And then I also have the O2 Concepts OxLife Liberty 2. And this one's going to be underneath 8 pounds. So there's going to be a slight trade-off here, as you're going to notice with the sound. So it's really going to be based off of what you think is most important. Is it going to be, the weight and portability of the unit and the size and compactness, or is it going to be the sound quality that you can get with a unit that's slightly bigger? And then I also have my decibel reader as well. So I'm gonna use this and kind of show you true real world readings off of both these devices. And I just want to go over a couple different things on these as well in regards to the sound that comes off of them. So a little bit of background on our O2 Concepts OxLife Liberty. They did have a standard version of this. It went up to 1.5 liters. They did update it. It was able to go to a setting of 2 now, which is why they named it the Liberty 2. And then they also did have some sound quality troubles with this originally when it first came out. They did update the device and did make it significantly quieter. It did have kind of like almost a revving sound to it with the first generation, but they were able to level that out to get it a little quieter as well. And then our Zen-O, of course, this one is going to be a little bit bigger, and it also is able to knock down the sound a little bit as well because of that. So again, it is going to be a big trade-off between what is most important to you. Is it for portability and sound quality? So powering on my decibel reader here, if I do stop talking, normal room decibel is right around like 30 to 35. So we'll see once I get these turned on what this will be reading. The specification is specifically to have the device about 10 feet away, so I'll have it moved away from me, and then we'll get the reading off of that. And I also do want to let people know when these devices turn on, not even just these two, but any portable concentrator, the first couple minutes when these are powered up and running, you're going to notice they are going to have more sound to them. And that is because the machine is trying to get up as fast as possible to the medical grade oxygen that these put out. So there is that slight warm-up period for these devices, and then you'll hear the concentrators come down. So when I start both of these up, I'm going to make sure we're going to run them for a couple minutes each, and then get the true reading after they come down and they level off to where they'd be typically running. So without further ado, we'll start off with the Zen-O. I'll power that up and get you guys the reading, and then also the Liberty 2. All right, so now I got the GCE Zen-O running currently. I'll let you guys listen to it for a couple seconds here, just so you can get a comparison. All right, and now I'm going to go set it about 10 feet away. We'll get a reading off of my decibel reader here. So you can see that we're peaking around 45. All right, so now I will shut that one off and then get the Liberty going for you guys, so that way you can compare the two. All right, and now I got the O2 Concepts Liberty 2 powered up, and I'll let you guys listen to this one now for a couple seconds. All right, now I'm gonna take it over, set it at the same spot that the Zen-O is at, and then we'll get this reading. So we're peaking closer to the mid 50s for this one. All right, and just again, we had both those devices powered up on a setting of 2. So hopefully it was a good comparison video for everyone that's wondering the sound differences between the 2 leading 2-liter continuous flow concentrators that are on the market right now for portability. Hopefully this video was helpful for you in comparing the 2 leading 2-liter continuous flow portable concentrators. Again, if you do have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call here at Main Clinic Supply.